our zipper glue application tools. So we've got two sizes for teeth here. So we are working with, we call it number 5, but it works with a number 5 zipper or number 6 and a number 3 or a number 4 tooth. So what these help you with is when you are applying glue, which I'm going to show you in just a moment, you want to have an exact measurement on the side so you're not overflowing into the tooth and you're applying a clean amount of glue along the edge. So from here on this number 6 zipper, this is 7 millimeters. So it's 7 millimeters away from the tooth. We have a 6 millimeter and a 5 millimeter. So if you want to apply more glue to the tape, get a little bit closer for your project, you're going to use this one. Same here. We've got a 5, a 4, and a 3 millimeter off from the tooth. So take our Intercom Eco Stick. So brushing away. So that way you're not going to come back underneath. So as you can see here, I'm getting right up to the edge. That is how you will apply the glue. What I also like to use it for is, for example, with our TEDS tape. I'm just going to take a piece off here. It helps to line it up. So I know a lot of people prefer to use a tape when attaching zipper to leather. And so you can really get nice and close. Once I kiss this up here, okay, you can kind of come down and apply. So perfect distance. And then this comes right up off the edge. So 2 methods, but that's what you're going to use these acrylic zipper tools for.